Welcome back to a brand new episode of the 360 Crick House. Once again, I welcome Gautam Satish and Siddharth Suresh into this show. Welcome.
Hello everyone.
Hello everyone, hope you're all doing good. Hope you're all enjoying our analysis.
It's match 23. It is Rajasthan Royals versus Delhi Capitals live from Sharjah. It is Steven Smith taking on Shreyas Iyer. So now, let us see the players to watch out for in tonight's interesting game. Starting with Jos Buttler. Siddharth, your take on Jos Buttler?
I've gone with the Englishman Jos. I think he has a huge responsibility to lead Rajasthan's opening. Steve hasn't been in great form, so Jos has to carry that extra responsibility on his shoulders to do the run scoring at the beginning of the innings. Rajasthan's middle order is quite messed up, if I may say. Not a lot of consistent performers. Sanju after the first two games has been not so good with the bat. So a lot of responsibility on Jos. We know he can do it. We have seen him do it last year for Rajasthan, and he had a good game in their last game. So that's why I've gone with Jos Buttler for today.
Okay. Next, we have Marcus Stoinis. Gautam, your take on Marcus Stoinis?
Yeah, Marcus Stoinis, the big-hitting Australian. What an valuable asset he has been for Delhi Capitals. I mean, he has been great with his cameos in the last game as well against RCB. 26 balls, 53, game-changing innings, and I think he's been a fantastic addition. Whenever the team has needed, he has stepped up and contributed. We saw in the first game as well against the Kings 11, where his cameo helped them win that game, and I think he has shown a lot more intent compared to the last seasons that I've seen. Very aggressive, there's a lot more intent, and he's striking the ball really well. He's going to play a vital role for Delhi's success, and looking forward to seeing tonight.
Next, we have Gautam's battle to watch out for, and it is between the young talent Prithvi Shaw versus the deadly fast bowler Jofra Archer. Gautam, your take on this?
Yeah, it's going to be an interesting battle, as you said. The young Prithvi Shaw, he'll be up against one of the world's best fast bowlers. It's going to be a great test for him as a batsman. He's definitely talented, there's no question about it. But I would like to see how he faces Jofra. He has been tested before as well against the quality pace. So it'll be interesting to see how he plays Jofra. I'm looking forward to
it. Next, we have Siddharth's battle to watch out for, and it is between the RR captain Steve Smith versus Kagiso Rabada. Siddharth, your take on this?
I've gone with Steve versus Rabada. I think Smith, being the captain of Rajasthan, he has a lot of responsibility. He hasn't been up to his best form this year, so I think he really has to lead the team from the front. On the other hand, you look at Rabada, I think the best bowler so far in this tournament this year. He's got the purple cap with 12 wickets. He's been doing consistently well for Delhi, and that's why I've gone with Smith versus Rabada. Smith, on the previous 3 occasions, he's been dismissed to some seriously quick pace. He's been trying to pull the shots in somewhat an awkward way, and he's edging the ball either to the keeper or onto the stumps. So if Rabada can bowl that exact line and length, I think Smith is in trouble. So it's going to be an interesting battle how Smith faces up to Rabada.
I would also like to add the battle between Ravi Ashwin and Jos Buttler.
Yeah.
We all know what happened when these two players met. Although Ashwin was playing for the Kings 11 last year, we all know what happened, the famous man cut. And Ashwin almost did that to Aaron Finch as well. And he also said that it's the final warning for all the batsmen. So
Butler will be extra careful today for sure.
yeah,
Yeah.
he'll be cautious for sure, and I'm looking forward to that battle as well.
Here we have points table. Mumbai at the first, Delhi at the second, and RR at the 7th position. And finally, it's time to make the prediction. Siddharth, your prediction for tonight's game?
Yeah, well, I'm going with Rajasthan. I think the only factor that is coming into my mind is that they're playing in Sharjah for the third time. It is a place where they have had 2 wins. Other than that, I think they are clearly the underdogs for today's game. Delhi is a very good squad. It's very complete. It's balanced. Rajasthan, on the other hand, you can't tell that. I think their bowling department and middle order needs improvement. But it's IPL. It's the best tournament in the world. Anything can happen. And I really hope it's Rajasthan's day today.
Gautam, your prediction for tonight's game?
Well, I'm backing the Capitals to win tonight. The logic is simple behind. They've been outstanding this season. They've been ruthless. They're second on the points table. Very balanced. All the players are clear about what they have to do. But that's not the case when it comes to Rajasthan. A lot of question marks in the batting as well as in the bowling departments. So yes, it's going to be a battle. As Siddharth said, they've had success in Sharjah, and that is the only silver lining for them as far as Sharjah is concerned. So it's going to be an interesting battle. We've seen plenty of sixes being scored, so I don't think it'll be anything different from that. We're going to see a run feast. So yeah, I'm backing the Capitals.
Congratulations, Siddharth. Your prediction was right last night as well. Congratulations, Siddharth.
Yeah, thank you. I've gotten 5 in a row now.
It was 11-5. Now it has gone to reach 12-10. Congratulations, Siddharth.
Thank you.
Yeah, that's it.
I've had a few disappointing predictions, so hope Delhi does it for me too.
That's it for today. Thank you. Bye.
Thank you, guys. Please do subscribe and like all our videos.
Yes, guys, if you've not yet subscribed, please hit the bell icon and stay updated with the new videos that we post every day. Share, like, and comment. Thank you. Cheers.